Now, a legal victory today for former President Trump. The Department of Justice is temporarily blocked from reviewing documents seized at Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate until a new review is done by a special master. CBS 4's Joe Gorcho spoke to a former DOJ attorney. He's in the newsroom with what this development could mean for the investigation. Joe.
Jim, today's decision slows down the Justice Department's investigation into the seized documents. Former DOJ attorney Richard Serafini explains why the judge agreed to name a special master and how the process will work.
To do fairness and to do justice. And so I think that's why she made pretty clear that that's why the district court issued the order. And that he met the requirements for the court to sit in what we call equity.
On Monday, Trump appointed U.S. District Court Judge Aileen Cannon greenlit a neutral third party to review materials seized inside the former president's Mar-a-Lago home. Would you view this right now as a temporary win for Donald Trump's legal team?
Sure. I think that's a fair way of saying. I mean, they got everything they wanted.
A detailed list of inventory taken from Trump's Florida residence includes more than 100 documents marked classified and 48 folders with that marking found empty. The FBI search found over 10,000 government documents and photos without a classification marking. Now a special master will review all documents seized.
We'll highlight the ones that are potentially attorney-client privilege, the ones that are potentially executive privilege documents.
In her decision, Judge Cannon wrote the Supreme Court did not rule out the possibility of a former president overcoming an incumbent president on executive privilege matters. Both legal teams can agree on privileged documents or potentially go to court to decide. Serafini mentions that somebody on the Trump team will eventually try to claim privilege over documents.
To this point, no one has yet asserted an attorney-client or executive privilege.
Serafini adds the judge's decision was procedural.
Did not make any determination as to whether former President Trump did anything wrong or as to whether the investigators have done anything wrong.
He mentions the court made clear it wasn't a typical case, and Judge Cannon's order reflects that, writing Trump could be deprived of personal documents and potential harm by way of improper disclosure of sensitive information to the public. How much of a roadblock could this be into the investigation and whether or not the DOJ elects to move forward with a potential indictment?
It's going to slow it down, as I said before. The investigation can still continue, just that it can't use those documents. There can't be further review of those documents. If there are witnesses that are going to be interviewed, those documents can't be shown to the witnesses.
The DOJ could appeal the decision. Serafini tells me the more he thinks about it, the less likely he believes they would. If they appeal and lose, it adds more time to the process and the investigation. Joe Gorcho, CBS 4 News Tonight.